After months and months of searching, climbing aboard boats, some we loved and others we knew weren't for us, we finally found the one. Today we introduce you to the boat that will carry us on this next chapter of our lives. If you watched our previous episode, some of these clips might be familiar looking to you. It wasn't an easy journey, but it was well worth it with this boat that we landed. Kristen and I knew we needed a sailboat big enough for liveaboard life, strong enough to take us offshore, and let's be honest, within our budget. That combination wasn't easy to find. Hey guys, welcome on board Sailing Vessel Freedom. So we're going to give you a little bit of a boat tour today. We're in the main salon here. Here we got the nav station. Super old. It all works, but it's super old, so we are going to replace everything in there pretty much. Here I am heading over to the galley. We have a great double sink. Here we have an oven and a cooktop. This is a cooler that works really well. And this is a refrigerator and then a freezer, which isn't working too well, so we're gonna have to replace that. You go aft here, and this is our master stateroom. Super, super nice. We absolutely love this boat, the layout. It's just great. We have a full-size bed here. It's probably a queen, actually. You come down, got tons of light, tons of venting. Here we go into the master bathroom here. And this is a stand-up shower in here, which we do have some stuff just being stored for now, but that's nice having a stand-up shower. From here, we're going to head out of the master stateroom. We're going to pass the galley here on our right. To the left over here is where the engine is housed. I'll show you that in another video. And back out to our large salon. Again, right and left settees. Here is our day head or our guest head. Pretty small wet head, but it's beautiful. And across from that, we've got some storage. Upper hanging wet locker and a lower storage locker. And then just forward here is the VIP stateroom. Large enough, it is comfortable. I'm 5'9", I have plenty of room on my head. You can't walk around this bed, but it's definitely comfortable for one. And we do have some extra closets in here and storage, which is nice. Upstairs. Okay, so we're topside now at the stern. Here we've got our dinghy davits. So we don't have a dinghy right now, but when we do have a dinghy, this is going to come in useful. Right here's our cockpit. The cockpit's a little bit small, but we had 7 people on board yesterday, and we made it work. It was fantastic. So super nice. We do have autopilot at the wheel. We have our 2 paddle boards. We've got these beanbag chairs. We have a cooler. You can see the decking, the teak, looks a little bit weird. It's because we've been working on it, and that's going to come in a future episode. Our windlass up front, anchor's fantastic. We have the push button drop down, push button up. It's fantastic. It's a 70 pound anchor up front. We have our furler up over here. We do not have our Genoa on right now. We do have the Genoa. You might have seen it inside the cabin. We're very new to sailing. In fact, we've never sailed before. So she's a lot of boat to kind of figure out. So I figured our first season, we'll just go with the mainsail. Kristen and I are so grateful that you guys are watching. That means the world to us. So please comment, like, subscribe, and share. This is a new journey for us. We're just beginning, and it's going to be a fantastic one. So we hope you stay on board with us. Have a wonderful weekend.